Hello, my name is Michael Guerra, and today my topic for my assignment is the atom. Now, what is an atom? An atom is a basic unit of matter. What I did for you is I drew the sample atom of carbon. All atoms come with subatomic particles. The subatomic particles include the proton has a positive charge, neutron has a neutral charge, and electron has a negative charge. You can see here, this is the sample carbon, like I said, and then inside the nucleus is the protons and neutrons. On the outside, these rings here are what's called orbitals, space where like the electron is going to be, and they're set around the nucleus. It's also known as the quantum. It's the area, it's the electron cloud which surrounds the nucleus. The next thing I'd like to go over with you is ionic bonds. These bonds are formed when two ions with opposite charges and one atom gives off one or more electrons to another. The perfect example of that is table salt, which is sodium chloride. Now, sodium gives off one electron and it becomes +1. Chlorine receives the electron but becomes -1 to balance out. The next bond I'd like to go over with you is the covalent polar bond. This is the bond between two atoms where electrons forming the bond are unequally distributed. Now, unequally distributed is a perfect example is my perfect drawing of water. You see you have the two hydrogen bonded with the oxygen. The next bond I'd like to go over is the covalent nonpolar bond. These are the bonds that occur when two atoms share a pair of electrons with each other. Now, a good example of this is hydrogen. This is H2. You can see here that they share the same, they're shared asymmetrically. So they're shared across each other. Another example of that would be O2 or CH4. The last bond I'd like to go over with you is the hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds have electromagnetic attraction between polar molecules in which the hydrogen is typically bonded to a larger atom and is not sharing but is an attraction between positive and negative. And the two examples here, like I brought out, are the H2 and the water atom. So this hydrogen here is attracted to this hydrogen because the positive and negatives are attracted to each other. Same thing here with the water molecule. The hydrogens are a lot smaller compared to the oxygen, and they're attracted to the electronegativity of the oxygen molecule. Overall, this is some things, basic things we learned about the atoms and the bonds. And thank you for your time. I hope you learned some valuable information.